Hey guys, today, one day only, we have propolis tincture available. We have a mullein tincture available. We have plantain salve. Y'all pause if you want to see the ingredients. Ghost pepper. We got Carolina Reaper and apple blossom honey. We have plain honey. We got habanero honey. We have honey with cinnamon sticks available. Really good. More jalapeno. We have the Hiccup hot honey shots and jalapeno and Carolina Reaper. Black cherry chipotle smoked hot honey, very good. More jalapeno. Got my hemp salve, 2 different sizes. I got a 4-ounce container and a 3-ounce container of that. More cinnamon stick honey. Local eggs, homemade apple butter, whole jalapenos, sliced jalapenos, ghost pepper candy.